Hello folks and welcome back to another lesson. This could well be the quickest lesson I've ever done, maybe. I might drag it out a little bit. But we're going to be looking at Stone's parts to Brad's 20th Century. It's just an absolute banging tune. It's got one bar of music in it, basically, from a guitar point of view. So let's dive in and have a look, shall we? So let's start off with the chords first, shall we? We have basically a B minor to a B major. So that's what the keyboard line's playing, right? So you could do that if you like. Now to the guitar line. It goes like this. With those chords, right? To and that is it. I mean, less is definitely more in this case. It's one bar of guitar part, 3 notes played all the way through the song. So let's just run through that and you will know it. So it's just these 3 notes. 5/7 on the low E, 5 on the A, right? And you're going to play. The first 4 notes are, and it's all palm muted as well, so you get a karate chop with the back of your hand, somewhere around the bridge there where you get a kind of, not too far forward, not too far back. So you want to get it quite smooth and nice and chuggy. And you want some of these notes to ring out, right? I mean, you might as well get right into the dynamics because there's not a lot to learn. So make the most of it. 5/7, 5/7. And I usually use my little finger and my first finger for all this, just because it's kind of comfier. But if you want to use your third, do that. Then you have a rest, and then you play. Okay, so the first 2 beats are. That's it. Again. And the second 2 beats go. Alright, and again. And notice for the notes that I'm playing on the A string, I'm giving them a bit less palm muting than I am the others, okay? Still slightly palm muted, but just a bit less. So then all together we have this, slowly. One more time. Build it up slowly. And the picking is very straightforward, it's just down, up, down, up. So when you do the rest, you start the next one with an upstroke. So then you're ready for a downstroke for the first beat of the next bar, okay? So again. So that's the only bit there where you're doing 2 upstrokes basically because of the rest. Rest, upstroke. So it's just alternate throughout, but because of that rest, you're basically missing out a downstroke. One more time. So there you have it, nice and easy one. See you again soon. Cheers, bye bye.